gonna be a fun one. We definitely got this mainly for drifting when it rains a lot. In the meantime, I am sure as heck gonna drag race it. 1, 2, 3. Maybe do like a good long review. Yeah, I don't know. I do need an airbag though, but I mean, we can just get a drift steering wheel. We might just get an OEM. We'll see. The car sounds great. I guess you can barely hear it, but I know you can definitely hear that. Yeah, it's not too loud. I think if I like fly into here and drift right there, it'd be pretty sick. I don't know what that is over there, so anytime you see LED lights, it's not worth the ticket. It's not, just drive away. You drift another day. See, if it was raining, that would have been a lot more smoother. When it's raining, this whole roundabout, I'm gonna show you. It's July 8th, the first rainy day. I'm gonna be drifting this whole thing. Obviously, I gotta get used to the car a little bit, but this whole thing, I just want to be, you know, like this whole. Look how long this is. This would be such a fun drift. Yeah, just give me one quick second. Sorry, I gotta drift this corner. Oh, traction off. Can't forget.